Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Intellify. I am Bhavya. In this video, you are going to learn how to check whether two strings are anagrams of each other. First, we need to understand the meaning of the term anagram. What is an anagram? Two strings are said to be anagrams of each other if they both contain the same characters, only the order of characters is different. Here we have the example of listen, silent, and triangle and integral. Both listen and silent consist of the same characters that are E, I, L, N, S, T that are arranged in different order, and same is the case with triangle and integral. Before we directly dive into the code, let us discuss the programming logic. After taking the input from the user, the first step that we have to do is to compare the length of both the strings. If the length of the strings is not the same, then they cannot be anagrams. So the program ends here. But if they have the same length, then both the strings are sorted using a function, and then the sorted strings are compared. The result is then printed, and this leads to the program end. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to discuss about the code. This is a C++ program to check whether the two strings are anagrams of each other. We have included the header file bits stdc++.h. This header file includes every standard library. You do not have to mention different header files. Then we use using namespace std. This provides a scope to the identifiers inside the namespace. Now we are creating a function to check whether the two strings are anagrams of each other. The data type of the function is Boolean. Dear learners, Boolean returns only two values, either true or false. The name of the function is rAnagram, and we have passed both the strings. Now, to get the length of both the strings, we use the length function. We have two variables n1 and n2 of data type int. In these variables, we store the length of the strings. पीछे हमने प्रोग्रामिंग लॉजिक में ये अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया था कि स्टेप 1 is to compare the lengths. If the strings do not have the same length, मतलब they are not anagrams, so we can leave the program here itself. But in case their length matches, then we proceed to the sorting part. If the length of both strings is not the same, then they cannot be anagram. ठीक है, so if n1 is not equal to n2, that is if the length is not equal, then we return false, that is the strings are not anagram. Now we use the sorting technique. We sort the strings. We do this thing when the length of the strings is same, that is when n1 is equal to n2, we do the sorting. For sorting, we use the sort function. Then we compare the sorted strings. After the strings are sorted, we compare them using for loop. For loop is used to compare the sorted strings letter by letter if they are not equal. Now, if the sorted strings are also not equal, then we return false. Otherwise, we return true. In case the sorted strings are not equal, we return false, which means they are not anagram. Otherwise, we return true, which means they are anagram. Now, in this bit of code, you've understood how you implemented the programming logic that you were taught about in the previous slide. Now we are going to discuss the driver code. We have the main function in which we pass the two strings test and TTEW. We pass these two strings in this rAnagram function and see out the two strings are anagram of each other in case they are the anagrams, and the two strings are not anagram of each other if they are not anagrams. Then string 3 and 4 as silent and listen. Then we call the function rAnagram and we provide the string 3 and 4 to it. Now the output is here in front of you. For test and TTEW, the output is that the two strings are not anagrams of each other. Whereas for silent and listen, the output is that the two strings are anagrams of each other. That is all for today's video. I hope you had a great learning experience. Thank you and stay tuned to Intellify for more such videos.